Hi, I'm Dr. Jackie Johnston, and this video is to show you how to use Teams to proctor your exam. If you have decided you want to use Teams as your online proctor, you have to let me know so I can create you a midterm and final exams channel where you will come and take your exam. So as you can see, I am in my Teams class. You would open up your Teams class and you'll see a channel with your name in it. Now, this channel is private, only you and I may access it. No one else in the course can access your exams channel. You'll find the password to the midterm and final exam, and that's the password. You'll want to write it down, and that's what you'll use when you access your exam. So when you're ready to take your midterm, which will be your first exam, you're going to open up the video, and you'll have to make sure you have the capability of having a video. And we're going to join now. When you see your videos working, we're not inviting anyone. I can access the recording and I can access you when you're actually live taking the exam. I can jump in to the Teams meeting. So you just, sometimes I do just to see how things are going. And I also had the video recording that I can access afterwards. So once you have it up, you see the videos working, we're going to want to start the recording. So we'll go to More, click Record, and then Start Recording. Click it only once, because if you tap it twice, I've had students accidentally stop the recording. You want to wait, and it says recording has started, and you'll see the red dot to the left, and you know you're good. You're recording everything you see right now. Then at this point, I want you to take your picture ID with your name and get it to where I can see it. And that way I can match up the face, match up the face, the ID uh, with the face, with your face. So that way I know it's you taking the exam and not someone else. Once you do that, then we're going to share screen. So share your screen. I have two screens. This is the screen I'm going to be taking my test on. So that's the one I'm going to share. And then you'll see the recording is going, which is what you want. And I can see the video down here and everything on this screen. At this point, I'm going to minimize my Teams. And I already had my Blackboard Ultra open where you'll find your midterm and final exam. So I will want to go to the midterm and final exams folder that we have. Okay, so we'll want to scroll the right way, open up our folder, and we're going to go to the midterm. And this is kind of my way. You can move this anywhere. You'll just want it somewhere where it's not going to be bothering you. And then we're going to launch the midterm. And here's where you will type in your password. Again, this will be available to you in your Teams channel, your midterm and final. And I'm going to click Access. So now you can start working on your exam. You'll have 2 tries per question. You can add your work. This is a good if you want to take a picture and upload it. That's especially if you missed the question, then you may want to upload your work to see if you can get partial credit. And there's also message instructors, so you can send me a message about a particular question on an exam. Maybe you think you got it right, or something in particular. Just please let me know. Sometimes there's little bugs we need to work out. Okay, so once you're done with your exam, we can say add work, and you have a chance to add work to any problem if you wish to do so. If not, then you can just save, and once you're done with your exam, you can get out, and once you're done and out, we can stop sharing our screen. Okay, then the video will come back up. We can stop the recording, and then once the recording is stopped, we can leave the Teams. And then at this point, I can go back to Teams and show you what's happening. So it will save that recording, and that recording, once it's saved, will show up in this Teams, so I can go back and watch the video at any time. You can watch the video, and there it is. And this video be available for, I think it's 60 days, and I can even extend that longer than that if I need to. Usually I don't. I can go in and watch it again, just to make sure it's you taking your exam. If at any time you have any questions about how to use Teams, what you need, and all of that good stuff, please don't hesitate to reach out to me either via Teams. You can send me a chat in your Teams. If you post it in the general, just remember everybody sees that. But if you want something just one-on-one, you can send it via the chat to me as well. Also, you can send it via my NTCC email, or Blackboard messaging is another way you can contact me. Any of those are fine.